Today, we're going to learn how to input an equation in a grapher card with a variable. Inputting an equation into a grapher card with any letter that is not x or y, or being used to define a function, will create a variable card that can be used to explore multiple values for that variable. For example, y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus b will create a variable card where b equals 1. The variable can be adjusted by inputting a value of your choice or by using the slider to explore values. To lock a variable into a specific value, toggle off the Show Slider toggle. For more tutorials, visit num.works/board tutorials.